Okay, let's talk about gay marriage. And I'm not going to talk about it in terms of religion because I don't really care. I'm going to talk about marriage in terms of man made institutions. Three in particular: banking, taxes, and insurance. Now, a married couple goes to the bank. They are assessed as far as loans, they are assessed on joint incomes, which means chances are you're going to have a bigger credit line for credit cards, loans for cars, mortgages, whatever. There are definite benefits, man made benefits, to being a couple. Insurance. Any insurance, car insurance, homeowners insurance, health insurance, dental insurance. None of these are divinely inspired in any way. They are all man made institutions. And couples get benefits in insurance and lower premiums. Taxes. Of course, couples pay less as a couple than they would individually. All of these are man made institutions. And if you believe that all men are created equal, then why should gays and lesbians pay a penalty when they're a couple? They may not, we may not fall under your definition of marriage, but we're definitely a couple. But I can't put my spouse on my health insurance plan. We can't go to the bank and have both of our incomes taken into account to get a loan. It's a little discriminatory. So, since all of these institutions are man made and not divinely created, then all men should have access to the same benefits. You see where I'm going with this? The only other option, to be completely fair to everybody no matter what, is to simply have a flat rate. Flat rate taxes, no consideration for couples. Flat rate loans from banks. And this should even be okay with heterosexual single people. I mean, do you not understand that as far as taxes, health insurance, the whole banking system with loans, you're being penalized for being single? Why should you be penalized just because you haven't found the love of your life until, let's say, you're in your mid-30s or maybe 40s? Why should you have to pay higher insurance and higher taxes and get less money from the bank just because you haven't married the first person who came along in your life? That's ridiculous. What's wrong with having just a flat rate for everybody with no considerations on whether you're a couple or not?